Let's watch these two freestyle guys go at it. Ooh, big hits. I think that breathing and attrition. Oh, he throws a nice kick. The Tractor threw a nice leg kick. Nice form. And followed up by a chin. Another nice leg kick. But as he's doing that, he's taking some to the chin. Another nice leg kick. And we're throwing some strikes. Knees, big knees. And he backs him up. He's bouncing him off of him. And this could be it for Deric Allison. Deric Allison looked rocked. He's going to the stage. Deric Allison has 300 and almost 5 pounds on his back right now. You better turtle up, and you better get rolled over, and you better shrimp like your life depends on it. Tony Roberts now with a side mount right there. We'll see if he can finish. Powerful legs, 300 pounds throwing a leg kick. His waist looks to be his legs of Tony Roberts. He's got him in a Kimura, and he stops it. Tony Roberts wins by Kimura. You saw him throw strikes, and then you saw him grab and do some clinch work, and then he took Deric down to the ground and finished it with a Kimura. That is good fighting.